Hello everyone, welcome back to my. This is Srinidhi of 4th semester. Today we are going to see about the topic ER diagram of employee management system. This is the ER diagram of employee management system. In this diagram we can see salary, department name and name, employee number and so on. Introduction to ER diagram of employee management system. An ER diagram for an employee management system visually represents the entities and relationship between the system and the employee. It helps us to understand the structure of the database and how different entities are connected. The ER diagram serves as a blueprint for designing and implementing the database management system. Entities in the employee management system. The main entities in the employee management system include department, employee name, position, and project. Each entity has attributes that describes the characters of the entity, such as employee ID, name, department ID, position ID, and project ID. Relationship between the entities are established based on how they are connected in the system. Now let us see about the relationship in the employee management system. The relationship between entities in the employee management system are crucial for maintaining data integrity. Example of relationship include an employee belonging to a department holding a specific position and working on a project. Relationship can be one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-one, depending on the business requirements. Now let us see about the ER diagram components. The main components of an ER diagram include entities, attributes, relationship, and coordinately. Entities are represented as rectangles, attributes as ovals, relationships as diamond, and cardinality as lines connected entities. Cardinality indicates the number of instances of an entity that can be associated with another entity. This is the example of an ER diagram for employee management system. In a sample ER diagram, an employee entity is connected to a department entity through a belongings to relationship. The employee entity is also linked to a position entity through a holds relationship. Additionally, the employee entity is associated with a project entity through a works on relationship. Cardinality in ER diagram. Cardinality in ER diagram specifies the minimum and maximum number of instances that can participate in a relation. Common cardinality notations include 1:1, that is 1 to 1, and 1 to many, and many to many. Understanding cardinality is essential for accurately modeling relationship between entities in the system. Implementation of ER diagram in a database system. Once the ER diagram is finalized, it can be translated into a physical database schema. Each entity and relationship in the ER diagram corresponds to tables and foreign keys in the database. The database scheme based on ER diagram ensures efficient data storage and retrieval. Now let us see about benefits of using an ER diagram for employee management system. An ER diagram simplifies the complex structure of the database system into a visual representation. It helps stakeholders, including developers and business users, to understand the data model and relationships. Using a diagram ensures consistency in data storage and retrieval processes. Now let us see about what are the challenges in designing an ER diagram for employee management system. Designing an ER diagram requires thorough analysis of business requirements and relationships between entities. Balancing the level of detail in the diagram to capture all necessary information without overwhelming complexity can be challenging. Changes in business requirements may necessitate modifications to the ER diagram, requiring ongoing maintenance. Now let us move to the conclusion. In conclusion, an ER diagram for an employee management system is a valuable tool for designing and implementing a database management system. It provides a clear visualization of entities, attributes, and relationships, aiding in database development. By following best practices in ER diagram design, organizations can be efficiently manage employee data and optimize system performance. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.